Happy New Year, everyone. I'm Whitney, and this is my YouTube channel. Welcome. Today I'm going to be creating an eyeshadow look using two palettes from Huda Beauty. One is the new Nude palette, and the other is the Mauve Obsessions palette. I'm a part of this Facebook group.
Oh, of course you are.
It's called Wake Up and Makeup Babes. There's challenges posted every week or every so often, whatever. The challenge for these 2 days, create any glitter look. So yes, you have to incorporate glitter in your eyes. All right, and then we do some hashtags. 2K20Slay. So if you guys want to become a part of this Facebook group, there are some pretty talented people in there, and it's kind of a fun group to just give each other tips, or just to play around with makeup and have fun and support each other. I haven't really noticed anyone be mean in there, so that's pretty cool. Everyone kind of supports each other and has fun. Also, they have prizes and raffles and stuff. Let's get to it. I first primed my eyes with Urban Decay's Primer Potion. Now I'm gonna set my eyes using this shade right here with my E35. Take this center shade and apply it to our crease. We're just applying a little bit of that center shade to our outer corners. We're gonna take our E25 and go into this shade here. We're gonna apply this to our crease as well. I'm gonna take my E45 and go into this shade here. I'm gonna apply this to our crease. Well, a little bit above if your eyes are kind of hooded, because, fake it till you make it, right? Just deepen it up right here. Let's take our E37 and just kind of blend this out a little bit. Just soften up any lines, any harshness that we have going on. I love this brush. You see that difference? I'm gonna take my E58 and get it wet. I've got some water from my water bottle. So that's what I'm gonna do, because it's kind of a maze whenever I have to get up and get out of this room. Because I've got lights here, here, yeah, and not much space. We're gonna go into the shade Charmed. We're gonna apply this to our eyelids. I called you my girl. You used to be my temptation. Your light turned red now. You chose to change your direction. You found a new man. Doesn't really seem like you're as close. Turn off the volume. Never gonna see where this thing goes. Never gonna see where this thing goes. Going back into this mini palette, going to take our E46, get it wet, go into this shade right here, apply it to your inner corner. Bring it up a little bit. Grab our E58, go back into the shade here, and we're just going to put it just right towards the inner corner, just kind of blending these two colors together. Yeah, you know what? Let's just drag that on some more. We know the song, yeah. Heard it before, yeah. And now you're acting like you didn't know me. So why you gotta act so reckless? Why you gotta act so reckless? I see you on your Instagram with your man. You know that you can replace me right now. we're gonna take our E43 and go into this corner shade here. And we're gonna apply that to the outer corners of our eyes. Just kind of dab it on. Bring it up a little bit.
Baby, why'd you have to walk away? That will be your biggest mistake. And I'm not trying to make you wait, but there's one thing on my mind.
E37. It's got us, don't you worry. It's got you.
I wanna know, yeah, the way that
Any of your mistakes can totally fix, you guys. Well, when it comes to fixing eyeshadow. I go in here, just kind of tap it. There we go. See, that's all we needed to do with that. Just tap it a bit. Taking our E17, we're going into this corner shade here again, and we're gonna apply it to our waterline, both upper and lower. Take your E16, go into that center shade there, and we are going to apply it under our lower lash line. Same brush, take this pink shade here, and apply that again on your lower lash line. All the way across. Using that same brush, we're gonna take this corner shade here. We're gonna apply it to the outer lower lash line corner and go in just a little bit. We just wanna deepen this up, but we don't want to go in too far. Now we're going to take this lovely brown shade here and go into that. Using the same brush, we're just applying this to the outer corners of our eyes. I'm gonna take my E20 and I'm gonna just smudge this. Start from the inside.
When nothing goes right, let it all go.
Just kind of softens it up a bit.
Love you anyway if no one turns up when the lights go low. I'll be here in the front row.
When you're done with that, take your E20, get it wet, and then go into this shade here and apply that as your brow bone highlighter.
Nothing goes right, let it all go. I'll love you anyway if no one turns up when the lights go.
Take your E12, and we're just going to add a little bit of water to this color or to our brush. Sit around.
To the West Coast, don't let the fire in you
Get it like that. Okay. You go across your upper lash line.
go. Oh, no, I doubt there's a better time than right now. So pack a bag, we'll get your flight out. Don't be afraid, 'cause if it all goes wrong, you forget all your lines, you miss every note. I'm cheering.
We're gonna go ahead and take our glitter glue. Not this kind, but this kind. Don't use this one.
When nothing goes right.
No. I'm just gonna take a little bit and a little dot, dab it on the back of my hand, and we are going to take the same B12, just dip it into here.
Front row.
All right, just apply it to your upper lash line. All right, now we're gonna go into this shade here. Ooh. Obviously, we're gonna apply this on top.
I'll be here in the front row.
You might be asking yourself,
Whitney, if we're going to cover up our eyes with glitter, why did we apply that darker shade?
well, if any of the glitter shows through, we just need a deeper base. It just makes it look better, okay, guys?
Demons too, sometimes they get the best of me. So you can take me to the background.
We're just gonna take some concealer and pretend we're a football player. We're just gonna take our beauty blender and try to, you know, fix underneath our eyes a little bit. I mean, it's better than it was before, right? I'm gonna apply my Grande Lash Primer and Tarte's Lights Camera Lashes off camera. I also decided to apply my liquid lipstick in the shade Kylie from Kylie Cosmetics. And also some Ultra Glow in Santorini to my brow bone and my inner corners. Here is the final look.
Your breath on my neck sends shivers down my spine. And you know that if I want it, I get it. So I'ma make you mine. We've been drinking all night, and I can't feel a thing but you. So put your hands all on me just right. I know it's what you want to. You wanna flip me upside down.
Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I really enjoy. Oh my god, it looks like I'm naked. I'm not. What? Like, she's naked. Oh, she's so weird. Okay, just do that so YouTube doesn't get mad at me. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate having you here, and I appreciate all of your support. It means a lot to me. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Because sharing is caring. Not with everything though. See you guys in the next video. Bye.